Meditation, a path to cultivate critical thinking. Meditation has been gaining popularity in recent years as a tool for promoting relaxation, reducing stress, and improving overall mental and physical health. While these benefits are well documented, many people are skeptical about the role that meditation can play in cultivating critical thinking. This video will explore the relationship between meditation and critical thinking, and explain why and how meditation can help individuals become more critical thinkers. What is critical thinking? Critical thinking is a complex process that involves analyzing, evaluating, and making informed decisions based on evidence and information. It involves asking questions, considering different perspectives, and anticipating the consequences of one's actions. Critical thinking is essential for solving problems, making decisions, and navigating the complex world that surrounds us. But before we move on with the video, support the channel by liking this video and subscribing to this channel for future updates. The importance of critical thinking in today's world. In today's world, critical thinking is more important than ever. With so much information available at our fingertips, it is easy to become overwhelmed and to make decisions based on misinformation or biases. Critical thinking helps us to navigate this information overload and to make informed decisions that are grounded in evidence and logic. It is a valuable skill that can be applied in many different contexts, from personal relationships to the workplace. The benefits of meditation for critical thinking. There is evidence to suggest that meditation can have a number of benefits for the brain, including increased focus and attention, improved working memory, and enhanced executive function. These benefits can help individuals become better critical thinkers. By improving focus and attention, for example, individuals are better able to analyze and evaluate information and arguments. Improved working memory can help individuals retain and recall important information, which is essential for making informed decisions. And enhanced executive function enables individuals to consider multiple options, weigh their pros and cons, and choose the best course of action. In addition to these cognitive benefits, meditation can also help to reduce stress, which can interfere with critical thinking. Stress can make it difficult to focus, impair memory, and lead to impulsive behavior. By reducing stress, meditation can help individuals think more clearly and make better decisions. Here are a few tips to increase critical thinking. Number 3. Study or read a lot. The ability to determine in one's mind what is best from the good and the capacity to test every input of information before accepting or believing them are the obvious results of critical thinking. The best way known to humans for developing critical thinking is by studying or reading a lot. Finishing a college degree is not enough. As much as possible, be sure to make every day a learning experience. By exercising your mind through reading and studying new concepts and ideas, you can develop critical thinking. There are actually a number of materials that you can choose from, such as pursuing other fields of interest aside from your own profession. Hone the intellect by solving puzzles and quizzes. Exercise your mind by solving problems, not only the real-life problems. According to studies, there is a tendency for the brain to deteriorate when it is not used regularly in deep thinking and analysis. Therefore, when one solves puzzles and logical or abstract reasoning quizzes, the mind is put to action. In doing so, one becomes active mentally and is also able to learn more ideas as he or she becomes an active thinker. Some studies also show that people who often use their minds for mental activities are less likely to develop Alzheimer's disease. Number 2. Analyze, don't just accept ideas. Now that ideas are easily accessed and are widespread through the internet and mass media, so much can be learned and acquired in so short a time. However, it is not wise to just accept anything that you hear or see. You have to examine them to see if they are valid, legal, and true. Learn to analyze which things to accept and which are to be ignored. Remember, too much information can be overwhelming and confusing. There is therefore a need for your mind to screen and sift all information that you encounter every day. In this way, you become wiser and more productive mentally, as well as emotionally and physically. Number 1. Think and practice meditation. The most active form of developing critical thinking is through meditation. Meditation makes you exercise control of mind over matter. Your mind becomes an active place for several activities such as cleansing of mind from rubbish which may lead to wrong actions and decisions, accepting healthy thoughts into the cleansed mind, and letting the good ideas come to work and change the way you think. A clear and healthy mind is only achieved through frequent meditation. Make it a regular part of your daily or weekly regimen, and you will surely be surprised at the results. Finally, although no two individuals are exactly the same, the ways of developing one's critical thinking skills are all applicable to all types of people and personalities. That's it from this video. Let us know what you think about the video in the comments section below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.